Hey guys, this is Robert, and in here we have some compression socks for running, cycling. Show one in the bag. Okay, you can see it's compression here. There's a tab here so you don't get the chafing. And there's some cushion, more cushion here in this corner for your toes. Cushion here. Okay. Actually, just cushion all over except for the top. Top's a little thinner. And that's it. If you're interested in these socks, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I'll see you next time.